Hi, my name's Wayne Young. I'm the curriculum lead for Access here at Coleg Cambria. Access to higher education does exactly what it says on the tin. It is your access, your key, your stepping stone to getting into university. The sort of the more conventional route into degrees tends to be at a younger age. You do your A levels, you move on to university. For those, for whatever reason, life got in the way, this is like a second chance qualification, and that opens the door to university. For whatever degree you want to go into, you've now got that in between GCSE and higher education, you've got that level 3. Because this course prepares you for quite a diverse range of degree study, we tend to sort of reflect that with the modules we choose. Things as far as psychology and counselling, and then back into sort of history, literature, communication skills. There's even a bit of numeracy in there. But within those modules, we do really hone in on some of those skills that really are transferable to your degree. So perhaps things like being able to reference accurately and to be able to write academically, as well as some of those skills that you really need to hone, like your analytical skills, your evaluative skills that really are important when it comes to writing at degree level. We reflect the fact that the Access is designed for adults with 2 fairly flexible paths you can choose to study Access. The first being the daytime one, which fits into just 4 days in the week, and we condense that day to fit in with the school run, because predominantly the vast majority of our students will have some form of parental responsibility, and we find that really helps. We also have a blended route, which is basically the same diploma, the same course, you get the same qualification at the end of it, but it's delivered over one long day, and all of your face-to-face teaching is done within that day. The other half of your study then would be what we call asynchronous learning. So we take advantage of a lot of the tech we've got here at Cambria. So I might make videos that you watch before you arrive. Maybe there's questions in there that you need to answer along the way as well. But it prepares you for the lesson. When you come into the lesson, it might be a little bit more workshoppy perhaps. This course can lead to a plethora of careers really. So some of the more common we see every year, you'll get ones like teaching, social work, psychology, counselling, but it does open the door to many more, some of the perhaps more niche we've seen over recent years. So really it is the pathway, it is the door that opens up a lot of these degree courses for you.